Well, a few times a day. I'm gonna miss this place and all these people. Yep. Oh, good morning, y'all, or good evening. Well, the price is right not on yet, so now I look weird, looking like this, and my hair's growing back fast under my chin, and some people used to call me spinach chin. But anyway, welcome to this Facebook Live, okay? And tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give me a laptop. And I don't know why the hell I'm telling y'all this, you know. I'm just telling y'all this just for the heck of it, you know. Cause there's some people out there that's gonna pray for your downfall, but God ain't gonna listen to that, you know. And things is going good in my life and stuff like that. And yep. While I turn on the TV and put it on The Price is Right, you know. So things is going good so far. Me watching Jeopardy. Jonathan Fisher won his 4th game, and one more game he'll have 5 wins, you know. Okay, so yeah, I'm just doing good, and everybody else is. And you know, all this stuff that's up here, I'm gonna take it all down in January. Especially y'all see that's back with Super Mario Brothers 3 and Mario 1 and Mario 2. Okay. Yep, that picture right there. Focus camera. Let me just. All right, that pic right there. It fell last year. You know, when I put that up. You know, this right here, Shamika gave to me. Thank you. And those and those 3 mirrors up there, you know, Shamika gave me. And that square, shall I say triangle mirror, triangle. I mean rectangle mirror, not triangle. You know, well. Yep. Oh, that's for my mom. The clock up there for my focus camera. Thank you, camera. Okay. All right, doggone. Oh, my bad. I thought I accidentally pressed something. So anyway, y'all, things is moving smoothly in Domino 7's life. You know, try not to be evil and stuff like that. You know, better than being out entertaining mess and stuff like that. You know, while I'm sitting in here sipping my tea, eating my pizza, chicken, and everything. That's not good to entertain negativity, you know. You know what I mean? Please stop entertaining negativity, okay? Somebody being messy, stay away from that person. Don't be outside discussing mess and all that, you know. So that's how you stay in trouble, you know. Entertaining mess, you know. But I haven't been in no mess, you know. I'm just talking to the folks that's, you know, I'm just saying, yeah, I'm really saying though, that's all, you know. By some people outside, shooing and stuff like that, you know. So I don't, you know, I heard that word from the rapper, former Cash Money rapper Juvenile, you know, shooing. I heard that word from him first. I didn't know what that word meant anyway. Shooing, you know. I guess that there must be a New Orleans accent, you know. And I'm from New Orleans, you know. So some of you know I'm from New Orleans. If y'all watch my videos every seldomly, okay. Golly, this is a beautiful area, you know. Orleans Parish, goodbye. And hello, Jefferson Parish, you know. Yes. Yep, so the playground is nice and quiet and stuff like that, you know. Them branches across the street still from Hurricane Ida are breaking things off because some people moved them branches out the way. Thank God the city didn't flood for Hurricane Ida like it did for Hurricane Katrina, you know. All right, let me cut the light on right quick. All right. It looks spacey after I got rid of that cabinet there. I pushed this deep freezer over, and they had a great table right there next to that mini fridge. I'm gonna get another mini fridge bigger than that. Okay. So my mama's kitchen chairs and kitchen table. Those are my mama placemats. You know. Yep. Rest in peace, Mom. The only thing I'm keeping is your kitchen table and your deep freezer and everything else, and the coffee tables that you and this dresser right here. This is staying here when we move. This TV definitely coming with us, and then Wii U. Okay. Oh, Price is Right, get ready. Come on. Okay. Yep. And Jonathan Fisher, I'm proud of you. You know, after you defeated Matamodio after 38 game one by Matamodio. Yep, Drew Carey and George Gray is on. Look. All right. Say, by me watching Price is Right fans, do y'all remember Yvette from 2 years? Was it 2 years ago or 3 years ago? Because I remember that time when Yvette gave up, you know, when this contestant bid $1 more over her, and she went back to her seat, I do believe. Drew Carey! There go Drew Carey! Not Bob Barker! George Gray. Johnny Olsen was sitting right there a long time ago. You know what? I wasn't born when Johnny Olsen was the announcer, but I was 1 year old when he passed away, you know? Yeah, so the name of this video is just going to be called Domino 7's Facebook Live video. That's the name of this because I don't have no title for this, you know? Okay? So I'm gonna get a new laptop and stuff like that. I'm gonna get a game capture card, a new camera and stuff like that, you know, a new video camera and stuff like that to boost my ratings, you know, and give me more subscribers, you know. But on the Domino 866 channel, I'm gonna be doing gaming, but I'm gonna still be doing vlogs on that channel, and not only that. Oh wait. You think she won? I don't think so. Oh, Ralph won. Yep. So, all right, y'all. After the Price is Right, y'all, I'm gonna try my best to do a vlog. Okay. Oh, what are we about to play? Oh, Punch a Bunch. That's what we're about to play, Punch a Bunch. Okay? Okay. Yes, indeed, yo. Well, I named some of these pricing games after Bob Barker, you know. Bob Barker's Punch a Bunch, Plinko, and stuff like that. Look at that. Oh, shit. Oh, shucks. Okay, the breakdown. I'm sorry, y'all. I want to show y'all the breakdown, you know, that Drew Carey showed, you know. So, ladies and gentlemen, I still am a Price is Right fan. I miss Lanisha Cole. I really miss Lanisha Cole. You know, I wish she was still on the show. You know, at least Rachel Reynolds is still on The Price is Right. Thank God. You know, from the Bob Barker and Rod Roddy era. You know, I'm so glad Rachel Reynolds and Lanisha Cole had a chance to work with Rod Roddy before Rod passed away. You know, yeah, those were the good old days. I bet Lanisha was honored to work with Rod Roddy, even though she was substituting for Claudia Jordan at the time, you know, and stuff like that, you know. Okay. Yeah. All right. Well. Anyway, let us watch what. Well, should we watch what he gonna win? Or CBS.com gonna show. Well, let's see what he gonna win. $60, huh, Drew? Yes, CBS did the right thing. Fremantle Media did the right thing, having Drew Carey to host Price is Right. He turned down the offer at first. What? Sala, he said, wait, there's more. I hope they upload this episode to YouTube on CBS.com. Yep. I sure would like to watch this episode again. Come on, focus, camera, focus. Thank you, camera. One. Well, let me load this, y'all. 2, 3. One more. Come on. Come on. 4. All right. All right, like they say, punch out 4 holes and do not pull out the slip. Well, what do you got? $2,500, huh? I missed that episode when this guy had $500. No, not 500, 5,000. And yep, he was a gambling man. You know, and then he gave it back. Wait, let's see. Oh, whoa. Will he give that up? Yep, the breakdown. Yep. The breakdown. 5,000. Oh, he gonna keep it because if he didn't keep it, he's a gambling man. Oh, let's see. $100. That's the lowest. You know, $50 was the. Oh, he did the right thing. Ralph did the right thing. Yeah, Ralph did the right thing, y'all. Yes, indeed, y'all. Ralph did the right thing. Congratulations, Ralph. You won 5,000. You're not that gambling man from years ago when this man gave up 5,000 and wound up winning 10,000. That was the highest one back in the day. Until Drew Carey's second season, you know, $50 was the lowest, you know, until Drew Carey's second season, you know. Now $100 is the lowest, you know. You still, or do you still have the Price is Right train? The Price is Right train ain't going nowhere. Nope, the Price is Right train ain't going nowhere, you know. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, so like I said, y'all Price is Right fans, Jeopardy fans, and Wheel of Fortune fans, okay? And some of y'all, oh, my bad. All right, so, and Wheel of Fortune fans and Let's Make a Deal fans, you know. I'm also a Deal or No Deal fan because back in the day when Deal or No Deal started, I went from Price is Right to Jeopardy, to Wheel of Fortune, to Deal or No Deal. Okay? Yep, so they canceled that game show again. Damn. Excuse my language, y'all. Oh! 2201. Everybody else overbid again. All right. So that's all I got to say. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live video. All right? Bye.